Guys, did you know you can revoke all of your debt? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can revoke your collections, charge-offs, medical bills, late payments, you name it. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can revoke all of your debt. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm new to the channel. I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can revoke all of your debt legally. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because I know that we are in one of the most troublesome times in regards to credit that the country has ever dealt with. Now in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can revoke all of your debt. Now I know a lot of people are asking like, Q, I didn't even know you can revoke debt. But yes, everything in your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable. So if you have debt on your credit report, you have a 75% chance of it having the opportunity to be revoked, because 75% of things on credit reports have at least one of those variables. At least 75% is on your credit report is 100% not verifiable, 100% not accurate, or 100% not timely. So you have a good chance of being able to get results. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you have to do is remember, freeze the secondary bureaus. You always want to freeze the secondary bureaus, and that is your LexisNexis. As you can see on the screen here, LexisNexis, all you gotta do is go on google.com, type in LexisNexis freeze, and click right here, and it'll automatically take you to the website to actually freeze the account. Now, once you get to the website and submit a request, they're going to stop the communication line between the bureaus. Now, you have to remember, the bureaus do not have a open communication with all of your data. They get your data to verify if what they are having or on your credit reports is accurate. They get that data from the secondary bureau. So if you send out a request to TransUnion is going to contact LexisNexis, and LexisNexis is going to line up the data that they have with the data that TransUnion have to make sure that it's accurate. We don't want that. We want them to stop communicating with each other, because if TransUnion cannot communicate with LexisNexis, they can't prove the data is accurate. And like I said, everything on your credit report has to be accurate, timely, and verifiable. So first thing you have to do is freeze those accounts. Now there are some secondary bureaus like Innovis, SageStream, along with LexisNexis. Freezing all of them will give you the best chance of success. Now once you freeze your LexisNexis, you want to go over to your credit report. Now you're going to survey your credit report and print it out. Now when you print out your credit report, you're going to highlight the items that's on the credit report to make sure that everything is what, 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and 100% timely, right? So when it comes to everything being accurate, that means that everything has to line up with accurately. So if you see one line on TransUnion say one thing and it says something different on Equifax, then that means that one of them is wrong. And what you want to do is do the work for TransUnion Equifax so they can just remove it. They won't have to do an investigate. Well, they're going to do an investigation technically, but they won't have to do, along with the investigation, basically guessing if it's accurate and send you a redundant letter basically saying that we verified that it's accurate. No, you haven't verified. I have verified that it's inaccurate, and I'm going to highlight it and show it to you. So you want to send this, and you want to screenshot this document, right? You're going to screenshot the document, and once you screenshot it, you're going to circle that inaccuracies. You're going to prove that inaccuracies and circle it with a pen. Now, if you have a red pen, that'd be better. So as you can see here, this account is with Navy Federal. It says derogatory, and then it says paid, and then it says derogatory. That's inaccurate. It says account number is 00143, and then it says account number is 970, and then it says account number is nothing. You want to highlight that and you want to circle because that's inaccurate. And then you can look at the date. Everything has to be 100% timely, right? 4/14 is the date open, 4/01 and 4/01. That's inaccurate. And then you can go down to the last reported date, 11/30, 4/22, 8/0. That's inaccurate. And basically, guys, you understand the gist. You want to make sure that everything on your credit report is 100% accurate, because if it's not 100% accurate, they're not going to basically find the inaccuracies. They're going to line it up with, like I said, LexisNexis reports and make sure that it's accurate. Now, another thing, one thing that you want to do before you even start the dispute process is dispute your personal information. Everything on your credit report is lining up with what you put on your past applications. And if your current address or if your addresses is lining up with your old addresses or anything like that, if it's a correlation, guys, they're going to find it and basically give them merit to deem it as verified. And they're going to basically say it's verified because they are lining up what you put on applications in the past versus what's on your credit report now. So the first thing you want to do outside of the LexisNexis is delete those old addresses and those old personal information. If your credit report says a misplaced name, or if the name is incorrect, or if the address is old, or if the job history is old, you want to get rid of all of that, because all of that information is tying you and connecting you with this debt. And if you remove the addresses and you remove the old personal information, a lot of those removals is going to be correlated with the debt. So when it's time to dispute the debt, they can't find correlations. They can't find correlations with LexisNexis. They can't find correlations with the personal information that's on your credit report. So they are basically left to remove the debt and revoke the debt in its entirely. Now, once you do that, you want to go over to My Credit Approve. That's the system that I created, that I was telling you guys about. And that system is going to be everything that you need to basically send out your first dispute. So once you get to the start dispute screen with the My Credit Approve system, all of your debt is going to be on a unified platform, especially after you import it. So after you import it, everything is going to be lined up side by side. It is going to give you a full visual of what your credit report is looking like, right here. As you can see, everything on your credit report on the My Credit Approve system is lined by color. So your negative items, which is your collections, charge-offs, late payments, closed accounts, is all highlighted in green. As you can see, your inquiries is highlighted in blue, and your public records will be highlighted in red, right? So you're going to scroll down, you're going to go to create the letter, and now you're going to go to 4-step dispute letters. Now, the 4-step dispute letters is sequenced in 4 different months, right? And those 4 months is going to basically give you the necessary response if they don't remove it. So if they remove 2 items and you have 5 items and they left 3 items on the credit report, send out the month 2. If they remove those 2 items and they leave 1 item on the credit report, send out month 3. It's a 4-month sequence, and it's basically setting them up to be sued at the end of the sequence, but it rarely gets to this point. Once you give them all of this information, guys, it rarely gets to this point. Then you're going to find the item that you're going to dispute. In this case, we're going to dispute target. We're going to scroll down, and then we're going to click next. Now, once we click next, the letter is automatically going to be populated. As you can see, the account number, the verbiage that's necessary. It says, I demand to see verifiable proof of the original consumer contract with my signature on it. Under the FCRA, unverified accounts must be removed. And if you are unable to provide me a copy of the verifiable proof, you must remove the accounts listed below. So basically, this letter is asking them to send you the original copy, because by law, they are supposed to have the original copy of the contract that you signed, and you are basically you have well and within your rights to ask for that information. So you're going to ask for it. They're not going to send it because these debt collections don't hold original contracts. They do everything virtually, and if they do not send it, then they are going to remove it from your credit report. Now, if they don't remove it, the round 2, this is for round 2. If they do not remove it after round 1, after you sent them the screenshot, highlight, credit report, showing them the inaccuracies along with this letter, along with freezing your accounts, we're going to go over to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, right? And once you get to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, this is basically the governing bureau that governs the credit bureau. So this particular agency can remove the debt from their platform and sell it. Like, they don't need to go to TransUnion, but if you do find inaccuracies, if you do freeze your accounts and they do not send you the original letter, after you send it out certified mail, you're going to send it out certified mail so you can make sure that you leave a track record. If they do not send you the original copy, or if they do not remove it, you're going to file a complaint with the CFPB, and you're going to give them all of the information that you sent to the credit bureaus originally, along with all of the verbiage necessary that you put in the letter itself. And guys, this is a bulletproof method. We have been revoking debt from credit reports for a long time now, and it is a very, very powerful tool, but you have to know what you're doing. Guys, leave it in the comments. Let me know in the comment section if you learned anything from this video, and let me know your thoughts. Have you used this method? Have you not used this method? Are you interested? Do you have any specific questions pertaining to your credit? Do you want to set up a consultation? Leave it in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on the whole procedure. Guys, always remember to freeze your accounts. Then you're going to pinpoint the inaccuracies that's on your account. Then we're going to go to my creditapprove and create the dispute letter, send it out certified mail, and then we're going to go to the CFPB if all else fails, and continue with the month-to-month process. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. This is a bulletproof strategy, and until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.